Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Remitly to your Bank of America account in 2025. Whether you're sending money to family, paying bills, or just managing finances across borders, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Remitly is a popular app for international transfers, and linking it to Bank of America is easier than ever with the latest updates. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Remitly app downloaded on your phone or access it via their website. Once you're set, start by logging into your Remitly account using your email, phone number, or username. If you're new, you'll need to sign up and verify your identity. It's a quick process to ensure security. Next, navigate to the Send Money section. Here, you'll select the currency and the amount you want to transfer. Now, for the key part, choose Bank of America as your recipient bank. You'll need to enter the recipient's details accurately, like the account number, routing number, and the full name on the account. Double-check these to avoid any delays or fees. After that, review the transfer details, including the exchange rate and any potential fees. Remitly often offers competitive rates, but always confirm the total cost. Once you're happy, hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification right away. To track your transfer, head to the Activity or History tab in Remitly. Transfers to Bank of America usually take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the amount and your locations. If you run into any issues, Remitly's customer support is available 24/7. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use a secure internet connection for these transactions, and keep an eye on Bank of America's app or website to confirm when the funds arrive. Remember, fees can vary, so compare options if you're transferring large amounts. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer money from Remitly to Bank of America. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.